Hello students, in this video let us discuss conjugate addition of dienes. Okay, so that means it is a electrophilic addition reaction on dienes. So general dienes are classified into three types: conjugated dienes, cumulated dienes, and non-conjugated, that means isolated dienes. So in this session we will discuss about the electrophilic addition reactions on diene molecules. So in this particular area we have a different type of products. That means, for suppose here protonation takes place, this 1,3-beta diene. So these two are equal, so at either double bond protonation takes place. So by transfer of these electrons to this terminal carbon, this one carries a negative charge, so that is attacked by the H plus. So we will get the secondary allyl carbocation. Okay, this secondary allyl carbocation is involved in a resonance. So this is the resonating structure. So here finally that resonance form is like this. So double bond, here this carbon carries a positive charge and this carbon carries a positive charge. So here in this case the positive charge is dispersed on two carbon atoms. So here this is the resonating this is a resonance hybrid. Okay, so here this secondary allyl carbocation is a primary allyl carbocation. Between these two, this is a more stable. Okay, this carbocation is more stable and this is compared to that one less stable carbocation. Of course both are stable because stabilized by the resonance, but in this case secondary allyl carbocation is more stable than the primary allyl carbocation. So now here if it is attacked by the Br minus, so the product is this one, and if it is attacked by the Br minus, then product is this one, that is a secondary halide, this is the primary halide. So here in this case if you observe, initially the hydrogen is added to this carbon and bromine added to second carbon. So here if you consider like this, here 1 2 3 4, this is called as a 1,2 addition product. This is called as 1,2 addition product, and in this case here hydrogen is attached to the first atom and bromine attached to the second, that means bromine attached to the fourth atom. So this is the 1,4 addition product. Okay, 1,2 addition product and 1,4 addition product. There are the two possible products in this case. Now here which is a major product, so it can be concluded based on the conditions. Okay, at low temperature 1,2 product is formed as a major, and at the high temperature that 1,4 product is formed as a major. Okay, here in this case bromine and hydrogen, this is a 1,4 addition. Okay, this is 1,4 product is major at 40 degrees centigrade. At minus 80 degrees centigrade, this 1,2 product, this hydrogen is added to this one and this one added to the this bromine added to the second carbon. So of course here in this case at low temperature here 80% of the product is formed. That means the 1,2 addition product is major in this case. Okay, so now here, so how you can explain this one, based on the temperature the major product formation. So here you can see that energy profile diagram. So actually this is the resonance hybrid. Now here this is the 1,2 addition product, this is the 1,4 addition product. So here this 1,2 addition product, okay, this 1,2 addition product is formed through the secondary allyl carbocation. Okay, CH double bond CH2, the secondary allyl carbocation. This is a stable one. Okay, so that's why here the activation energy is very less. Okay, this is the activation energy for the formation of the 1,2 product. Okay, now here this is a 1,4 product. This 1,4 product is formed through the less stable carbocation, CH double bond CH2 plus. Okay, so from this resonance hybrid either secondary or either primary allyl carbocations can be exist. Okay, so here in this case for the formation of 1,2 product we require less activation energy because this is a more stable carbocation, and here for the formation of the 1,4 product it requires higher activation energy because it is formed through the less stable carbocation. Okay, so here in this case for the formation of the 1,4 product, higher activation energy is needed. That means here at high temperature 1,4 product is formed easily. Okay, and here for the formation of the 1,2 product, 1,2 addition product, it requires less activation energy. It means here it is formed as a major product at low temperature. Okay, so here in this case, for the formation, that means say here the 1,2 product is formed faster. That means here kinetically controlled product. Okay, this is kinetically controlled product, because here this product formation is irreversible because it is readily formed product. Okay, that's why here we are saying that formed faster, and initially formed product is a 1,2 product and it is a kinetically controlled product. Okay, that means simply KCP you are saying. Now in this case here 1,4 addition product requires high temperature, that means higher activation energy, and this 1,4 product is finally more stable. Why? Because it is more stable. In this case here 2 alpha hydrogens and here 3 alpha hydrogens, so this alkene has a 5 alpha hydrogens. But in this case this alkene has a 1 alpha hydrogen. It is a less stable product. So you can see here this energy diagram. This one has a higher energy, this one has a lower energy. Okay, so this 1,4 product is a more stable. Okay, and it is a finally formed product in a reaction, and it is a more stable product. So here the delta HF for the 1,4 product formation is higher, and for 1,2 product formation is less. Okay, that means here this one has a higher enthalpy of formation and this one has a less enthalpy of formation. Okay, so next in this case, here this is the, that means this is irreversible, this is a slowly formed product, so here it can be reversible. That means here it is a thermodynamically controlled product. Okay, so with increasing temperature its product formation increases, so it is a thermodynamically controlled product. It is thermodynamically controlled product. That means here TCP. Okay, this product is the TCP product. So at low temperature the kinetically controlled product is formed. At a high temperature thermodynamically controlled product, that is a 1,4 product, is formed. Okay, so here in this case, so at minus 80 degrees centigrade low temperature 1,2 addition product is major. At 40 degrees centigrade here 1,4 addition product is major. Now in this case, if this 1,3-beta-diene on reaction with the HBr at room temperature, okay, so at room temperature is also 1,4 product is major. For a HBr addition product here, that is 56% 1,4 addition product is formed at room temperature. Okay, so here similarly we can see one previous JEE advanced question. This is the isoprene. This isoprene on reaction with the HBr. Of course, in that exam, the temperature is not mentioned. But here, for HBr, even at room temperature, the major product is thermodynamically controlled product. That means here, highly stable alkene is formed as a major product. Now, in this case, the protonation takes place on this carbon. Because here, as a result of protonation on this carbon, we will get this stable carbocation. That is a tertiary allyl carbocation. Of course, it is stabilized by the resonance. It is a primary allyl carbocation. So now here this Br minus attacks on this one. So this is a kinetically controlled product because it is formed through the stable carbocation. The formation of the stable carbocation readily takes place, so it is formed faster. But here in this case, it is the primary allyl carbocation. It is attacked by the Br minus. So here in this case, it is slowly formed product. It is a TCP and it is a KCP. But in this case here, the thermodynamically controlled product is formed as a major, because in this case here CH3 and CH3, 6 alpha hydrogens, here 2 alpha hydrogens, so totally 8 alpha hydrogen is thermally more stable. And of course this alkene has no alpha hydrogen, that finally less stable alkene. So here finally we will get this product as a major product. Okay, the previous advanced question you can see in this case. And next here you can see here the cyclic diene. Okay, this cyclic conjugated diene. The cyclic conjugated diene, so protonation takes place on a particular carbon. Okay, so both are same. So we will get this carbocation. So this carbocation attacked by the Br minus. Of course, here in this case it is stabilized by the resonance also. These two resonant structures are equal. So here either one attacked by the Br minus. So we will get the single product. Okay, for suppose here Br, the double bond. Here in this case pi bond, here Br. So of course here both are same. That means here 1, 2, 3, 3 bromo cyclopentene. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 bromo cyclopentene. And here moreover in this case this is the chiral carbon. So we can get the two products. That means here enantiomeric mixture we will get. Okay. So why? Because the carbocation is a planar one. So that is attacked by the Br minus either front side or back side. So as a result we will get the mixture of two enantiomers. That means racemic mixture we will get in this reaction. Okay. And in this case, for suppose if you add HBr, that means here DBr, we will get the different products. Okay, that means here D, here Br. This is the 1,2 product, and next one, this is D double bond, here Br. That is a 1,4 product. Of course, here in this case we can say based on that means here the same number of alpha hydrogens. Of course here at a high temperature 1,4 product is major, and at low temperature that 1,2 product is major. Okay, that's it. And next here now this one. So this is also conjugated diene. Here protonation takes place at a different site actually. Okay, it is completely different from the isoprene. Now in this case protonation takes place on this carbon. As a result we will get this secondary allyl carbocation. It rearranges to the tertiary allyl carbocation. Okay, that's it. So if you protonate this carbon, that means here in this case if you protonate this carbon, so here H plus attacks on this one, we will get the tertiary carbocation, but it is not conjugated, so protonation on this carbon is not possible. Okay, so next here, so that's why protonation takes place on this carbon, we will get the stable carbocation. So now here this is attacked by the Br minus, double bond here Br. So it is a 1,2 addition product HBr. And now here this is attacked by the Br minus, so we will get this one Br. So here you can see in this case this is the 1,4 product actually. This 1,4 product is kinetically controlled product. Okay, so generally in basic example 1,4 product is a thermodynamically controlled product, but in this case for this compound the 1,4 product is a kinetically controlled product because it is formed through the tertiary allyl carbocation. Now here in this case this is of course secondary allyl carbocation it is formed, but this alkene is more stable. This is the thermodynamically controlled product. Why? Because in this case these are 3 alpha hydrogens here, 2 alpha hydrogens here, 1 alpha hydrogen, 6 alpha hydrogens, thermally more stable, but it is formed through the stable carbocation, that is a tertiary allyl. So here in this case of course alpha hydrogens are less, so 2 alpha hydrogens here, no alpha hydrogens, so it is a thermally less stable alkene but kinetically controlled product because it is formed through the stable carbocation. Here thermally controlled product. Okay, of course here it is formed through the less stable carbocation, it requires high temperature, so that's why we can say this is the thermally controlled product and this is the kinetically controlled product. Okay, that's it. So here if you come into this example, the protonation takes place on this carbon. Why? Because in this case protonation at this carbon that leads to formation of the stable carbocation. Now it is attacked by the Br minus. So in this case again we can say that 1,2 product is kinetically controlled product. Okay, so now here by the resonance this one exists like this. So here Br minus, double bond here Br1. So in this case here this thermally controlled product. Why? Because it is a thermally more stable. Here 2 alpha hydrogens, here 2 alpha hydrogens, here 1 alpha hydrogens, so totally 5 alpha hydrogens. So this 1,4 product is thermally controlled product. This is 1,2 kinetically controlled product. Okay, but at room temperature always with the HBr that thermally more stable product is formed as a major. That means it is a major product. In this case it is a major product. That's it. Okay, next some more examples we will discuss. here in this case. So of course here protonation takes place on this carbon. Okay, double bond, and here tertiary carbocation, this one. Okay, Br minus. So here Br double bond. So by the resonance here, that is converted to like this here. The pi bond here, carbocation. It is a tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation. It is a kinetically controlled product. But here, this one is a thermally controlled product. Okay, because more number of alpha hydrogens here, less number of alpha hydrogens. Okay, now here the addition of the Br2 molecule. Okay, so sorry, let us discuss this reaction. The protonation takes place on which carbon? So generally here protonation takes place on this one. So we will get this carbocation. This carbocation is stabilized by the resonance, and here by the resonance here you will get further more stable carbocation. It is a tertiary carbocation. So this is attacked by the Br minus. So here in this case, very interestingly, that 1,4 product is kinetically controlled product. First of all, here protonation takes place on this carbon. So hydrogen added to this carbon. So this is a 1,4 product, but kinetically controlled product because it is formed through the stable carbocation. Now in this case here, if Br minus attacks on this one, it is thermally controlled product. Why? Because this one has a more number of alpha hydrogen. 3 alpha hydrogen, 3 alpha hydrogens here, 1 alpha hydrogen, 7 alpha hydrogens. So this is 1,2 addition product. This 1,2 addition product is thermally controlled product. Okay. So that means here that 1,2 product is not always kinetically controlled product. Okay. And 1,4 product is not always the thermally controlled product. That depends on the structure of the molecule. You can see clearly from this example. Okay. And next here, this one is a very simple one. So at very low temperature, at very high temperature, for suppose the protonation takes place on this one. Okay. So we will get the stable carbocation. Now it is attacked by the Br minus. That means it is formed through the stable carbocation. It is a kinetically controlled product. It is formed as a major product at very low temperature. Okay. With HBr, again I am saying at room temperature, the thermally controlled product is a major. Now here by the resonance, we will get another one. This is the carbocation. Of course, it is secondary carbocation, less stable, but here product is more stable because it is highly stabilized by the hyperconjugation. This one has a more number of alpha hydrogens. 3 alpha hydrogens, 3 alpha hydrogens, here 2 alpha hydrogens, 8, and here 1 alpha hydrogen, 9 alpha hydrogens. So at even room temperature, this is a more stable product. This is a major product actually. Okay. Of course, it is specifically mentioned at low temperature, this is the major product. At high temperature, this is the major product. Okay, that's it. And now here the addition of the Br2 molecule. Here in this case, the addition of the Br2 molecule also takes place in the fashion like HBr of the HBr addition product. Okay, so here in this case, the first of all cyclic bromonium ion is formed as in the case of monoalkene. So here first of all, next here Br minus may attacks either at this carbon, terminal carbon, or at this carbon. There are the two chances. So here if the Br minus attacks this terminal carbon, that means here pi alkanes transfer to this one. So here Br and this double bond and Br. This is the 1,4 addition product. And now here this Br minus attacks at this carbon. So we have 1,2 addition product. Okay, this is the 1,4 addition product, 1,2 addition product. So actually here at 60 degrees centigrade, 1,4 product is formed 90%, and at minus 15 degrees centigrade, 1,2 product is formed as a major. That means in 60%. Okay, of course in this case you can see the addition of the bromine takes place to the diene. That means in two ways, that is a kinetically controlled product may be formed and thermally controlled product is also formed. Okay, at low temperature 1,2 product, at a high temperature that thermally controlled product is formed. So here another example here I want to discuss. So this is the triene actually. So this one is here Br2 molecule. So first of all you will get the cyclic halonium ion. That means here Br plus bromonium ion, pi bond here, pi bond. So of course here different type of products are formed, but in this case here at a high temperature that 1 4 that means 1 6 addition product is major. So why? Because here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then immediately this pi electrons transfer to this one, so Br minus attacks on this one. So for this cyclic triene, 1 6 product is formed as a major. This pi bond, and this is Br. That's it. Okay, that is a conjugate addition of that dienes. For suppose here in this case, so let us discuss one more example. This is a diene molecule. Okay, so now diene on reaction with the HBr, at the one equivalent of the HBr. So on which alkene this addition takes place? It is a diene but not conjugated. It is isolated diene. So here in this case, so generally we know that for suppose this isobutene and this is a propene, which is more reactive in alkophilic addition reactions. This isobutene is ultimately more reactive because that has two methyl groups. That two methyl groups increase more alcohol density, because those are the donating groups, so increase more alcohol density. The alkene has a more alcohol density, so then it is readily attacked by the H plus alkophile. So here in this case, this one has two methyl groups, so highly substituted alkenes are more reactive in alkophilic addition reaction. So this one attacked by the HBr, so you will get the stable carbocation. Okay, that's it. This double bond will get the carbocation stable. So here in this case, Br minus attacks on this one. So this is the major product finally. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.